Alright, let's get right into it. Before we dive deep into how your money is about to change forever, I want to give you something for free. Seriously, if you smash that subscribe button right now, you'll not only get incredible insights into the future of finance every single week, but you'll also get my exclusive ebook, The 5-Minute Guide to Smarter Spending. It's a quick read that will save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars. This isn't some gimmick, it's a thank you from me to you for joining this community. We're all here to learn, grow our wealth, and stay ahead of the curve. So take a second, click subscribe, and let's start this journey together. Think about where you want to be financially in the next 5 or 10 years. Do you want to be playing catch-up, or do you want to be leading the pack? The information we're going to cover today is exactly what you need to understand the massive shifts happening in the world of money. Subscribing means you won't miss a single update. You'll be the first to know about new trends, new technologies, and new opportunities to build wealth. That free ebook is just the beginning. It's your first step toward taking control of your financial destiny in a world that's changing faster than ever before. It's a small action with a huge potential payoff. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Graham, why should I care about all this tech stuff? My bank account works just fine, I get it. It's easy to stick with what's familiar. But the truth is, the financial world is undergoing a revolution, and the two biggest drivers of this change are artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency. Ignoring them is like ignoring the internet back in the 1990s. You don't want to be the last person to figure this out. By subscribing, you're making a commitment to yourself to stay informed and empowered. You're getting access to simplified, no-nonsense explanations that cut through the hype. So let's make a deal. You give me a few minutes of your time, and I'll break down these complex topics into simple, actionable information. And in return for your commitment to learning, you get that free guide to smarter spending just for hitting subscribe. It's a win-win. We're building a community of smart, forward-thinking individuals who are ready to take advantage of the future of money. This isn't just about watching videos. It's about making a real, positive change in your financial life. So let's do this. Hit subscribe, claim your gift, and let's jump into what you absolutely need to know. Let's talk about the future, but this isn't some science fiction movie with flying cars and robots doing our laundry. This is the future of your wallet, your bank account, and your investments. And it's happening right now, today, on July 23rd, 2025. Two powerful forces are at the center of this massive change: artificial intelligence, which you can just call AI, and cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. These aren't just buzzwords for tech nerds to throw around. They are fundamentally changing how we earn, spend, save, and invest our hard-earned money. Understanding them is no longer optional, it's essential for your financial success. So what does this actually mean for you? It means that the way you interact with your bank is changing. It means the advice you get for investing is becoming smarter and more personalized. It even means the very definition of money is being challenged. Think of AI as a super smart assistant that can analyze vast amounts of financial data in seconds, something no human could ever do. It can spot patterns, predict market trends, and help you make better financial decisions. It's like having a team of Wall Street experts working for you 24/7 right from your phone. This isn't a far-off dream, it's a reality that's becoming more common every day. Then you have cryptocurrency. This is a completely new form of digital money. It's not controlled by any bank or government, which is a huge deal. It allows for fast, cheap, and secure transactions across the globe without needing a middleman. Imagine sending money to a friend in another country without waiting days or paying hefty fees. That's the promise of crypto. It's a different way of thinking about value and ownership. Combining the brainpower of AI with the revolutionary structure of cryptocurrency creates a financial landscape filled with incredible opportunities for those who are prepared. In this essay, we are going to break it all down. No complicated jargon, no confusing charts, just simple, straight-to-the-point explanations. We'll explore what AI and crypto actually are, how they work, and how they are already being used in the real world. We will look at the amazing benefits, but we will also be honest about the risks involved. My goal is to give you the knowledge you need to navigate this new financial world with confidence. The future of money is exciting, and by the end of this, you'll be ready to be a part of it. Let's get one thing straight. Artificial intelligence isn't about evil robots taking over the world. In reality, AI is much simpler and already a part of your daily life. Think of AI as a computer program that can learn, reason, and make decisions, sort of like a human brain but much faster and with more data. You use it every single day without even realizing it. When Netflix suggests a new show you might like, that's AI. It analyzed what you've watched before and compared it to millions of other users to make a smart guess. It's a prediction machine, and it's getting better all the time. Another great example is the Map app on your phone. When you ask for directions, it doesn't just show you one route. It analyzes real-time traffic data, road closures, and speed limits to find the fastest way to get you to your destination. That's AI at work, solving a complex problem in seconds. It's not thinking in the way a human does with emotions and feelings. Instead, it's processing enormous amounts of information to find the most logical and efficient solution. It's a tool, a very powerful tool, designed to help us make better, more informed choices by seeing patterns we could never spot on our own. So how does this connect to your money? Financial companies are using this exact same technology to help you. An AI can look at your spending habits and suggest ways to save money. For example, it might notice you're spending a lot on coffee and suggest a budget for it, or even point out a subscription you forgot you were paying for. It can also help banks detect fraud. If there's a strange transaction on your credit card from a different country, an AI system can flag it instantly and alert you, protecting your money before a thief can do more damage. It's like a tireless security guard for your finances. Ultimately, AI is about automation and intelligence. It automates tasks that would take humans a very long time and brings a new level of intelligence to the process. It's not magic, it's just math and data working together on a massive scale. The key takeaway is that AI is a helper. It's designed to analyze information and provide recommendations or take actions that make our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. From recommending your next favorite movie to protecting your bank account, AI is the silent partner working behind the scenes. And now, it's becoming your personal financial genius. Now, let's talk about the other big player in this new financial world, cryptocurrency. The word might sound complex, but the idea behind it is pretty straightforward. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual money. Think of it like the money you have in your online banking app, but with some massive differences. The most important difference is that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum are not controlled by any central authority like a government or a bank. This is called decentralization, and it's the core concept that makes crypto so unique and powerful. It's money for the internet, built by the people for the people. So, if there's no bank, how does it all work? Cryptocurrency transactions are recorded on a public digital ledger called a blockchain. Imagine a giant shared notebook that everyone can see but no one can change. Every time someone sends or receives crypto, a new entry or block is added to this notebook or chain. This chain is copied and spread across thousands of computers around the world. Because the ledger is public and distributed everywhere, it's nearly impossible to cheat the system, create fake money, or spend the same coin twice. This makes it incredibly secure, all without needing a bank to verify everything. This structure is fundamentally different from the regular money or fiat currency we use every day, like the US dollar or the euro. Your dollars are issued and controlled by a central bank and the government. They can print more of it, which can lead to inflation and make your savings worth less over time. With many cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, there is a fixed supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin in existence. This scarcity is built into the code, making it more like a digital version of gold than a traditional currency. This is why some people see it as a way to protect their wealth. The practical benefits are also huge. Since you don't need a bank to act as a middleman, you can send crypto to anyone, anywhere in the world, much faster and often cheaper than a traditional bank wire. A transaction that might take a bank several days to process can be completed in minutes with crypto. This is especially powerful for people who don't have access to traditional banking services. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection to participate in the global economy. Cryptocurrency is more than just digital money. It's a whole new financial system being built from the ground up. Okay, so we know what AI is. Now let's look at how it's completely transforming the worlds of banking and investing. Banks are using AI to become faster, smarter, and safer. One of the biggest ways is through customer service. Have you ever chatted with a virtual assistant on a banking website? That's an AI. It can answer your questions 24/7, help you check your balance, or guide you through transferring money. This frees up human employees to handle more complex issues, meaning you get help faster. It's all about making your banking experience smoother and more efficient, so you can spend less time waiting on hold. In the world of investing, AI is a total game changer. It's bringing sophisticated investment strategies, once only available to the super rich, to everyday people. There are now apps called robo-advisors that use AI to manage your investments for you. You simply answer a few questions about your financial goals and how much risk you're comfortable with. The AI then builds and manages a diversified portfolio for you, automatically making adjustments based on market changes. It takes the emotion and guesswork out of investing, helping you stay on track to reach your long-term goals without needing to be a stock market expert. AI is also making lending and getting a loan much fairer and faster. In the past, getting a loan depended heavily on your credit score, which can sometimes be an incomplete picture of your financial health. Now, AI algorithms can look at thousands of different data points, beyond just your credit score, to assess your ability to repay a loan. This can include things like your income stability and spending habits. This allows lenders to make more accurate decisions, which means more people who are creditworthy can get approved for loans, often with better interest rates and in a fraction of the time it used to take. Finally, let's talk about security. AI is the ultimate watchdog for your finances. It works tirelessly in the background, analyzing millions of transactions every second to spot fraudulent activity. It learns what your normal spending patterns look like. So, if a charge suddenly appears on your card from a city you've never been to, the AI can instantly flag it as suspicious, block the transaction, and send you an alert. This proactive approach to security is far more effective than the old methods, providing a powerful shield that protects your hard-earned money from thieves in an increasingly digital world. You might think that AI and crypto are just abstract ideas, but they are already showing up in our everyday lives in simple, practical ways. Let's look at some real-life examples. Think about your savings account. There are now smart savings apps that use AI to help you save money without even thinking about it. An app might analyze your income and spending, then automatically transfer small, affordable amounts of money into your savings account. It might round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and save the change. This is AI acting as your personal savings coach, helping you build your nest egg bit by bit. Now let's consider crypto. It's not just for trading on exchanges anymore. More and more businesses are starting to accept cryptocurrency as a form of payment. You can use it to buy anything from a cup of coffee at a local cafe to a new laptop from an online retailer. There are also crypto debit cards that let you spend your digital assets just like regular money. You can swipe the card at any store, and it will instantly convert your crypto into dollars to complete the purchase. This bridges the gap between the new digital economy and the traditional financial world, making crypto more accessible and useful for everyone. AI and crypto are also working together in powerful ways. Imagine you want to send money to your family in another country. Using a traditional bank, this can be slow and expensive, with high fees and bad exchange rates. Now, there are services that use AI to find the cheapest and fastest way to send your money. The AI might determine that converting your dollars to a cryptocurrency, sending it across the border, and then converting it back to the local currency is the most efficient route. This process happens behind the scenes in seconds and can save you significant money on fees. Another everyday example is in the world of rewards and loyalty programs. Some companies are now offering rewards in the form of cryptocurrency. Instead of getting points that you can only spend at one store, you get a small amount of a digital asset that has real-world value. You could choose to save it as an investment, trade it for another crypto, or spend it wherever that crypto is accepted. This gives you more freedom and flexibility with your rewards. These are just a few examples of how these technologies are quietly becoming a normal part of our financial routines. As with any new technology, especially one involving money, it's crucial to look at both sides of the coin. Let's be real about the risks and rewards of AI and crypto. The biggest reward is empowerment. These tools can give you more control over your financial life than ever before. AI can provide personalized insights to help you save more, invest smarter, and avoid fraud. Crypto offers a way to be your own bank, giving you the freedom to send and receive money globally without relying on slow, expensive institutions. It opens up the financial system to anyone with an internet connection, which is a massive win for financial inclusion. However, we have to talk about the risks. With cryptocurrency, the biggest risk is volatility. The The prices of cryptocurrencies can go up and down dramatically in a very short amount of time. You could see the value of your investment double, but you could also see it get cut in half. That's why it's so important to never invest more than you are willing to lose. Another risk is security. While the blockchain itself is secure, you are responsible for protecting your own crypto. If you lose your password or get tricked by a scammer, your crypto could be gone forever with no bank to help you get it back. For AI, the risks are a bit different. One concern is privacy. For an AI to give you personalized financial advice, it needs access to your financial data. You have to trust that the company providing the AI service is keeping your information safe and using it responsibly. There is also the risk of errors in the AI's programming. An AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If the data is biased or incomplete, the AI could make bad recommendations or even discriminate against certain groups of people when making decisions about loans or credit. Transparency is key to making sure AI is used fairly. So, how do you balance these risks and rewards? The answer is education and caution. Start small. Don't pour your life savings into a new crypto you heard about online. Learn as much as you can before you invest. Use reputable platforms and enable all the security features they offer, like two-factor authentication. When using AI-powered financial tools, read the privacy policy and understand what data you are sharing. By being informed and taking a sensible approach, you can take advantage of the incredible benefits these technologies offer while minimizing your exposure to the potential downsides. So, we've covered a lot of ground. We've simplified what artificial intelligence is, your smart personal assistant. We've decoded cryptocurrency, a new form of digital money outside the control of banks. We've seen how these two technologies are not just theoretical ideas but are actively changing how we bank, invest, and manage our money every single day. From robo-advisors that build your investment portfolio to crypto debit cards that let you buy groceries, the future of finance is already merging with our present reality. It's a shift as big as the invention of the credit card or the ATM. The key takeaway is that this change brings both incredible opportunities and new responsibilities. The opportunity is to have more control, more efficiency, and more access to financial tools than any generation before us. AI can help you make data-driven decisions, removing emotion from your financial planning and keeping you safe from fraud. Cryptocurrency offers a direct peer-to-peer way to transact value across the globe, challenging the status quo and pushing the entire financial industry to innovate and become better. Your financial toolkit is getting a massive upgrade, and it's happening right on your smartphone. This new landscape requires you to be an active participant in your financial life. You can no longer just hand your money over to a bank and forget about it. Understanding the basics of these technologies is becoming a new form of financial literacy. You need to know how to protect your digital assets, how to evaluate the advice given by an AI, and how to spot scams in this new digital frontier. It's about being proactive, not reactive. The people who take the time to learn and adapt are the ones who will benefit the most from this financial revolution. Ultimately, the future of money is personal. It's about using these powerful new tools to build the financial life you want. Whether your goal is to save for a down payment on a house, invest for retirement, or simply manage your day-to-day budget more effectively, AI and crypto offer new pathways to get there. It might seem like a lot to take in, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. By starting to learn today, you are positioning yourself for a more secure and prosperous financial future in a world that is rapidly evolving. We've reached the end, but this is really just the beginning of your journey. The world of money is changing at lightning speed, and staying on top of it is the key to building wealth and securing your future. You've taken the first step by learning about the fundamentals of AI and cryptocurrency today, but this world is constantly evolving. New apps, new investment strategies, and new regulations are appearing all the time. How do you keep up without getting overwhelmed? That's where I come in. Subscribing to this channel is your ticket to staying ahead of the game. I want to make sure you have everything you need to succeed. That's why, as a special thank you for joining our community, I want to give you my exclusive ebook, The 5-Minute Guide to Smarter Spending, absolutely free when you subscribe. It's packed with simple, actionable tips that you can use immediately to start saving money. It's the perfect companion to the bigger picture strategies we talk about here. Getting your free gift is easy. Just hit that subscribe button, and the guide is all yours. It's a small investment of a single click for a huge return. Think of this subscription as your personal financial edge. Each week, I'll continue to break down complex financial topics into simple, easy-to-understand videos. We'll explore new opportunities in AI-powered investing, discuss the latest trends in the crypto market, and share practical tips for growing your wealth in this new era. You won't have to spend hours trying to figure it all out on your own. I'll do the research for you and deliver the most important information right here in a way that's casual, informative, and straight to the point. So don't wait and risk falling behind. The future of money won't wait for you. Be proactive, take control. Hit the subscribe button now, claim your free ebook, and become part of a community that is committed to building a smarter financial future together. You have nothing to lose and a world of financial knowledge to gain. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.